Welcome to Top Scholars, the smart learning app. Today, we will explore the world of types of pronouns through a skit. Let us join Mr. Grammar and the missing pronouns of Grammarville as they relish their adventurous journey. Let us participate with them and unwind in the extraordinary world of types of pronouns.
Hello, we meet again. Please, let us return to Grammarville. Without you, the townspeople speak in repetitive gibberish.
People are using pronouns incorrectly in their sentences. We place nouns as the subjects and objects of a sentence. We replace nouns as the subject of a sentence. For example, Adam is going to the store. He will be buying a packet of salt. We place nouns as the object of a sentence. For example, the teacher called me. We replace nouns to show ownership. For example, the books are yours. We are used when the subject and the object of the person are the same thing. For example, he booked the cab himself. We point to specific things or people. We indicate whether something is far or near in a sentence. For example, that is an interesting novel, or this is an interesting novel.
We will investigate further. We are close to solving this case. Stay tuned. Keep practicing. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel, Top Scholars.